Water leak, 90% of the time is gonna come from the drains. If you have water inside your vehicle, in the front seat or in the back seat of your car, no matter what car it is the sunroof drains are clogged. It depends on your car. Some cars have different type of drains in here that they get clogged up. This is the front of the car. You gotta search on these corners here is typically where the drains are. In either side. On this case, the drain is in the back there on the left. I don't know if you can see it in there. In order for you to test the drain, you get yourself a bottle of water and you pour it in there. So if you can see on this car, the water is stuck in there. It means the drains are clogged up. I don't know if you can see in there. So the water, I got water in there and it's not going nowhere. See, that's the water stuck in there. So you check on both sides. If it's stuck, go ahead and proceed to clean it. What you need to do is to locate the drain plugs or the drain. So for this car and the majority of the cars, the drain plugs are located in the front side of the vehicle. So if you open your door, this is the passenger side. If you open your door, you want to search around this area. See how much, I don't know if you can see in there. I'll show you. Look, it's gonna be around this area here, or you check it's gonna be behind this section here, that you won't have to remove this plastic cover, and it should be around this section here. It all depends on the type of car you have. Same thing on the driver's side. The drain plug should be around this area here. Look around this area, look under here. Might gonna have to take this plastic out in order for you to see. If you can see here, see in this corner here, it's like all the leaves and debris don't let the water flow the correct way. So as you have an idea, this is the driver's side and that's the sunroof. So the drain should come around the column there like that, all the way down to around the tire area. Same thing on the passenger side. On the corner, it should follow that column there all the way down to the corner of the tire. I'm gonna vacuum that, and if that doesn't work, I'm gonna use a tube cleaning like this one that you can see right now. This is to clean the roof. This one just gotta be very gentle. So it's preferred to use it like a vacuum to suck the debris this way and then clean the bottom part also. See, all this is what a lot of times make them clogged up. And you don't realize you got a lot until you start digging into it.